So I'm 53 and I've pretty much given up on traditional foundation. It is too heavy, too cakey. So I'm always looking for products like this one from Westmore Beauty. The Supreme Cream is light and it's also buildable. I'm going to be trying the new Supreme Cream from Westmore Beauty. They sent me two colors to try out, tan and also medium. So let's see which one's the right one for me. This is the tan. And I would say, having come back from the beach recently, the tan is blending in very smoothly to my skin. And we'll try the medium on my other hand. This one is a little too light for me right now, but I will say probably in another couple weeks, it's gonna be the perfect shade. Okay, I'm gonna get in really close so you can see that at age 53, I have a little bit of discoloration. There are some uneven skin tones, and mostly those are the things I'm looking to do, is just kind of even out my skin and give it an overall youthful glow. You could use like a beauty blender or a brush. So you can see I'm getting a nice light coverage, and it is just giving my skin an overall even tone. Okay, now I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply to your neck. So I've got a little bit of the product on. I'm going to add a little bit more. This is the blending brush. It feels great. It's like a little spa product. If you want to layer on a little bit more, make sure you build in a little bit of time. You're going to want to give it about 60 seconds or a minute to set before adding on your next layer. The product does absolutely stay put, but you do need to give it a little bit of time to set. So if you're getting dressed in the morning, you want to give yourself about 10 minutes after you put the product on to let it really sink in. With those 10 minutes, you'll make sure that the product isn't transferred to any of your clothing as you're getting dressed and going on about your day. I love that this product is so long lasting, so waterproof, and really easy to work with. You can add as much or as little as you're comfortable with to give you the coverage that you want. Supreme Cream looks and feels like your skin, just better. This is a multi-use complexion perfector that instantly evens out your skin tone from head to toe. I love that it's waterproof, lasts all day, and it's formulated with skincare ingredients. When you're 53, you don't want your makeup settling into your fine lines and wrinkles. I love the lightness to this Supreme Cream.